This is multiple choice questions on employability skills and entrepreneurship skills. The first one is paid form of ideas, goods and services are called. So if you're paying someone to publicize your product, your goods, your ideas, because you want to sell something, and the answer is D, advertisement. It's advertisement. Even if you have good product, you have not advertised, it's worth nothing. The enterprises engaged in the production of goods is known as. So the name, because it is production of goods, it's being told. So the answer is A, manufacturing enterprises. The expansion of GDP is gross domestic product. GDP, A is the correct answer. Gross domestic product. The expansion of SIDO. SIDO stands for Small Industries Development Organization. A person who is associated with the starting of business is called. So a person who is starting a business, say he will plan something, and before that he need to have some idea that has to be new, novel, special. So he might have seen some gap and no one is filling that gap. There is some requirement and he wants to fill that gap. So that is why he is starting a new business. So it can be a product, it can be a service. Finally, he is executing. And if he is successful, he is a successful entrepreneur. As compared to small scale business, large scale business require. Now we'll talk about money because a question is coming. But when we talk about small, middle and large, and the basic thing is money or the say capital. But here the question is asking about something else. It's asking about more number of person. So answer here is more number of person. Less people, small scale business. Large people, large scale business. Entrepreneurship is also termed as. Entrepreneurship is a person or say few people they start. It's basically self-employment. So we are calling it as a self-employment. So C is the correct answer. For medium manufacturing enterprises, the investment in plant and machinery is between. So plant and machinery investment, because plant and machinery is for heavy materials normally or manufacturing at large. So here, see, I'll give you the three breakups. So 5 crores and 10 crores. The answer is 5 crores to 10 crores basically. So less than 5 crores and above than 10 crores and between 5 and 10. So below 5 crores, it is called as small manufacturing enterprises. 5 to 10, it's medium manufacturing enterprises. And above 10 crores, it's large manufacturing enterprises. So medium, D is the correct answer. SWOT analysis. S stands for. So SWOT. This is used in normal life also, businesses also. So S is for strengths. Strengths. W is for weaknesses. Weaknesses. O is for opportunities. Opportunities. And T is for threats. Threats. So there is one more question coming regarding this, but the full form of SWOT is this. What approach is used to gain access to foreign markets and quickly promote an organization's interest? Just assume Apple. The Apple phone is everywhere. How it is everywhere? It is an American company. Say an Indian company which is based at Bangalore. There is a tie-up or joint venture between Apple and this Bangalore-based company. For example, Maruti Suzuki. Maruti, Indian. Suzuki, Japanese. So when it combines, it gives a strength also and an ease of business also. because Bangalore company knows how Indian market works. So that is how Apple will be ready or easily say flow into the market, and that is how the product can be easily spread and can be sold. It's called joint venture. So because say the example of car, even if some company is making left hand driving car, in India they have to make the right hand driving car. So this is joint venture. Which investment is considered for deciding the status of manufacturing enterprises? So the question is about which investment is considered for deciding the status of manufacturing enterprises. So what plant and machinery, say the money has been invested or the capital has been input, this is plant and machinery. Answer is this one. Which one is correct channel through which marketers can reach customers? Okay, so if you are a customer, from what chain you are getting the product? First, it will be manufactured. From here, all this raw material will come and the final product will be formed or manufactured. Then there will be, say, a wholesaler. Okay, basically there is one more distributor chain is also there. It is not given. So there will be some distributor. Distributor means it will distribute into different, say, states or provinces. And then when it comes to state and provinces, it will again then be sent to wholesalers for a particular pocket. Okay, it's a big place. So first of all, it will be distributor. Then it will go to wholesaler. Wholesaler say different for a district, it is a wholesaler. Then now this wholesaler will send it to the retailer. That is the shop which is near you. Shop which is near you. So that is the final retailer. So first is manufacturer, distributor, wholesaler, retailer, then customer. So this is the whole chain. So you see here, we will choose by rejecting. After manufacturing, retailer will not come. First manufacturer, wholesaler, then retailer, then customer. Manufacturer straight to customer, no. Manufacturer, then retailer, then customer, no. Because first manufacturer, wholesaler, then retailer, then customer, right? So if we see, the C is somewhat correct answer, though there are certain points missing, but still manufacturer, retailer, customer is the correct chain, part of the chain. Which one is a web-based accounting? Web-based accounting. See, Tally is one of the most important software being used earlier also, now also. But Tally started when it was a desktop software. But now web, internet is everywhere. Even the apps are there. So now Tally is also web-based. So you can call it as Tally answers web-based accounting. In an economic growth, role of entrepreneur is to. Now if you see all the other options, they are somewhat, you will by yourself know they will not be correct. So entrepreneur, what is the role of entrepreneur in the economy? Generate unemployment? No. Generating employment is his work. Stagnate? No. Improving standard of living is the job. Unbalance the regional development? No. Balancing and improving the regional development. This is his work. So improving per capita income, this is somewhat correct. There are different tasks, or you can say the benefits or roles, or you can say the non-drawback of being an entrepreneur. So improving per capita income is the correct answer here. So C is the answer we are thinking about. In SWOT analysis, which pair is helpful? Now we know about SWOT, strength, weaknesses, opportunities and threats. So those pair which are helpful. So strength and weaknesses, no. Threat and weakness, no. Threat and opportunities, no. Strength and opportunities, this B is the correct answer. This pair is helpful. This pair is helpful, right? Because once you have a strength, and by the time you get certain opportunities, your success is guaranteed. Money invested in purchasing of raw materials, payment of wages and salaries, rental, electricity, etc. comes under. So when you start a business, what all you require, or what all is the input. Raw material, wages and salary have to pay. You have to pay for the rental, electricity, water, etc. So all these comes under what? It comes under working capital. Working capital is the correct answer. MSME. MSME stands for, it's micro, small, medium enterprises. Micro, small, medium enterprises. The answer is C. C. Okay, macro is wrong, scale, minor are wrong, so C is the correct answer. Okay, this is all about entrepreneur skills question, but if you want more, we can discuss more. If you like this, then we can just get more questions on this. Thank you so much. Take care of yourself.